Hey guys, today I wanted to go over how our CNC quilting services work. We offer high-quality, computer-controlled quilting services to consumers and upholstery shops looking to take their automotive, marine, and aerospace projects to the next level. CNC quilting saves time and money over manually stitching a design, while also improving accuracy and consistency, in addition to opening up the possibility for much more complex designs. Our extensive library of quilting designs allows you to dial in the creative elements of your project. If you have a specific idea in mind, we can also work with you to develop a completely unique design. Our CNC services can be applied to a variety of materials, including leather, suede, and synthetic leather. You can purchase materials from us, or you can send in your own that you've already spec'd for the project. We can make your panels in a variety of sizes with a maximum sewing field of 47 by 31 inches. All of our panels are quilted in your choice of top stitching thread color and backed in your preferred thickness of open cell sew foam. After you've filled out a request quote form, we'll contact you to go over the details and quote out the project. If you haven't already spec'd the materials, we can also arrange to send you free samples to choose from. If you're sending in your own leather, we'll go over what size each piece needs to be cut to, as they need to be larger than your requested finished dimensions to account for mounting and quilting shrinkage. When sending in synthetic materials, we suggest sending them in uncut. After we finalize the details of your order, we'll quilt the panels to your specifications. The finished panels will arrive ready for you or your upholsterer to sew into your upholstery project. If you're interested in learning more about the process or would like to request material samples, feel free to call us at 405-724-0577.